Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App Cash Out failed. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to check if the servers for Cash App is actually up and running. So go to status.cash.app, and from there you'll see the server status for Cash App at the moment. So if you see that the section that says Cash Out is currently not working, then you'll have to wait for this to run again or to work properly. So that it means that the server for cashing out might not be working properly. That's why the cash out is being failed on your application. So you just need to wait this out and see if that actually solves your issue. But if that doesn't solve your issue and cash out function is actually working, then the next thing that you want to do here is you want to contact support. Now, for you to contact support is you want to access your application itself. So from the application is you want to tap the profile icon in the Cash App, select support, and select start a chat and send a message to Cash App support. Then from there, you could just basically talk with them and regarding your issue about cash out problems. Now, if you aren't able to talk to them, you could call the following numbers that you see on your screen right now, or you could contact them on social media via these handles or account names here. And if you want to contact them by mail, you could go ahead and reach out to them here. And yeah, so that's basically it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.